Today I'm going to show you a pretty cool feature on this 2020 Nissan Rogue SV with a premium package. That feature is called ProPILOT Assist. It's our semi-autonomous driving system that utilizes radar as well as cameras here in the windshield, so the vehicle does a little of the driving for you to help you relax while you're on the road. Hop inside, let's take it for a spin, and I'll show you what it's all about. Alright, so today I'm going to tell you a little bit about ProPILOT Assist. This is Nissan's semi-autonomous hands-on driving system. What that basically means is that this vehicle will do a little bit of the driving on its own without any input from you, but you are required to keep your hands on the steering wheel. So we're going to turn the system on right here with this blue button. It sets up everything. Once you get up to speed, you set like you would in your normal cruise control, set it, and it goes active. Now right now you can see on the screen here I only have the 3 green lines in front of me, which means my intelligent cruise control is active, but my lane keep and my steering assist is not. So there's a camera up here that has to pick up lines on the road in order for that system to work. Now the system will not pick up on red lights, so you will have to watch out and you have to stop the vehicle on your own for that, but it will pick up in vehicles ahead of you. So if for some reason you're not paying attention and our vehicle stopped ahead of you, it'll notice it and it will come to a complete stop. So let's see here for the red light for a minute, let this get going, and then I'll show you how the actual lane keep and steering assist works. So ProPILOT Assist is really designed more for heavy traffic situations and for highway driving, but you can see here just in your everyday city traffic it's useful but not as beneficial. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the resume button, get it turned back on, and once it picks up a steady line that it can read, it'll turn our lane keep and steering assist back on here. Alright, so you hear that one chime, that's letting you know that the system is active. So as I go around this corner here, you can see the steering wheel is moving on its own. I'm not putting any input to the vehicle, it's on its own. This red warning is popping up, it's detected that my hands are not on the steering wheel, so I need to put my hands back on the steering wheel, give a little feedback to let me know that I'm in control of the vehicle as far as my hands on the steering wheel go. It does that for about 30 seconds. If you don't put your hands back on the steering wheel for some reason, it will then begin the process of bringing the vehicle to a stop. It won't pull you off the side of the road, but it will bring the vehicle to a stop, just in case you fell asleep or had a medical episode or something along those lines. So we'll keep driving here. As you can see, in the middle of the road, it's not bouncing all over the place. It's maintaining the center line. And if you notice too, my legs are not on the pedals. I'm just relaxed here driving. Hopefully we get another red light up here. Okay, so it looks like we might get a stop. As you can see, the vehicle is now slowing down. Hoping it's coming to a red light, but I don't have the vehicle in front of me, so I do unfortunately have to press the gas or the brake pedal here. As you can see, driving down the road, it's watching out for a lot of things that you normally have to watch out for. It's watching the vehicle in front of you as well as the vehicle in front of it. So if it detects any potential for a collision, it's going to slow the vehicle down, if not bring it to a complete stop. It's not designed to prevent an accident, but it'll help mitigate the effects of an accident. So I'm going to get back up here. You're going to hit the resume button just like on your normal cruise control to get you back up to speed, get the system turned back on. I got another curve coming up here. Take my hands off so you can see exactly how this system works. Alright, so here comes the curve, taking my hands off. You watch the steering wheel, it's doing the curve for me. That's the warning letting me know I need to put my hands on the steering wheel or it's going to bring the vehicle to a stop. As you can see, it gets faster and faster and faster. When it goes to a solid tone, it's done. It's going to stop you. So like I said, it's a really cool system, helps reduce some of the fatigue of driving as you're going down the road, especially heavy traffic or highway situations. If it's something you want to come and experience for yourself, feel free to come on down to the dealership, Pat Fisher Nissan, 1128 South Hopkins Avenue, Titusville, Florida. My name is Jeff. You can reach me at 321-268-2000. Thanks for watching.